a lid. Oh, you got 2 lids. There's that one. Here, I'll help you. Just use 2 hands. Uh-oh. If you start throwing it all down, I'm gonna put it all away. Are you starting to get a little tired of it? Got that. You're having so much fun. You want me to get those down? Okay. All right. I'll do that for this time. I will do that for this time. Okay, one more here. There we go. Just a little bit more. You're very industrious today. Oh, you're stacking. This is my world. I think we're all done now. All right.